An emotional moment at today's COVID-19 press briefings when the state's top health official was brought to tears.
Yeah, Dr. Ngozi Ezike encouraged Illinois residents to fight COVID-19 fatigue. WGN's Rob Sneed joins us now live with that story. Rob?
Yeah, Governor Pritzker compared Dr. Ezike to Superwoman. He said that as she worked around the clock nonstop 7 days a week and feels a lot of pressure from protesters and verbal attackers. Since yesterday, COVID-19 took an additional 31 lives in the state of Illinois, more than 9,400 dead so far.
These are people who started with us in 2020 and won't be with us at the Thanksgiving table. Today, we are reporting 3,874 new cases for a total of 33 confirmed cases since the start of this pandemic. Excuse me, please. Get up. Kleenex.
Dr. Ngozi Ezike took more than 20 seconds to collect herself as Governor Pritzker told someone to get her a tissue. All of this while encouraging Illinois residents to not give in to COVID-19 fatigue. It's a feeling of frustration and wanting to give up on wearing masks and following social distancing rules.
I understand how pandemic fatigue is striking everyone. It's real. People are tired of not seeing their families. They're tired of postponing the weddings and the other life celebrations.
But she says everyone must continue to stay in the fight against coronavirus together, though as of now, there is no expiration date.
We have had 364,033 cases since the start of this pandemic. 2,498 individuals were reported to be in the hospital overnight. Of those, 511 COVID patients were in the ICU, and 197 patients were on ventilators. And although people want to refute the number of cases, we are seeing the number of people with COVID-19 continue to increase. We are seeing the number of individuals in the hospital because of COVID-19 increase. We are seeing the number of lives lost continue to increase.
She especially worries about medical professionals and others that work closely with the public.
You cannot work from home as a bus driver, right? And so these people have to go to work every day as the disease is increasing throughout the state, and they are the ones that will be dying.
And so far, more than 7 million COVID tests were given. Dr. Ezike says everyone must continue to wear masks and wash their hands often. And of course, social distance. Live in the newsroom, Rob Sneed, WGN News.
Strong words there from Dr. Ezike. Thank you, Rob.